It's 10:40 and I'm still in bed. I woke up like 20 minutes ago. Today is Short People Appreciation Day, December 6th. I mean, I guess I'm wearing all black, so it makes sense. This is my outfit for the store. I want to Target. I don't know what for or where we're even actually going. But I hope we go to Target so I can finish my Christmas shopping. We're getting glitter glue for They have dry food and they bother me for wet food every morning. Hi, I'm gonna make coffee right now because I want coffee. I think I'm gonna make pumpkin. This creamer, even though it doesn't go with this. I'm also going to add sugar because I know it's going to be bitter. Tastes like strong something. Strong hot chocolate. I got a plant. We named her Fred. I didn't vlog that much at the store because it was just really hectic and I was just trying to get it done and not forget something. I mean, the rest of my pasta. Some of it's kind of hard, but it's fine. I finished all my Christmas shopping, finally. I'm getting stuff for Kaylee's cousin. She doesn't, watch this though, so I got chocolate. I'm not gonna show Jocelyn's stuff because she watches these. I got a scrub and a mug, and me and Kaylee are going like half and half for her cousin. And then this is for Puma. Puma doesn't watch my videos, so I got her this and like fuzzy socks and stuff like that. I'll show you guys. And the rest is Jocelyn's. And then I have something coming in the mail for her. But yeah, so in a little bit I'm gonna wrap presents. But I have to do something for my mom. So I think I'm gonna do that first, and then I'll wrap presents. My hair's a mess, don't talk about it. I need a shower. I wish I could tell you guys everything I got for everybody because I got a lot of stuff. Like, I don't even want to know how much I spent on Christmas this year. A lot. I spent a lot. Hi. But a lot of people watch my videos, so I can't tell you guys. People on TikTok were saying Attack on Titan got a new season or something.
Oh yeah.
Did you watch it? Oh.
Yeah.
It's been about 2 hours. I just finished editing Sushi Sunday. So if you want to go see that, it's already up, so go watch it. Still here. Hi, baby. Hello. The reason why I edit for my mom is because I got my phone back for like I don't have to put it back at night. If you've been on like following me and my mom for a while or subscribed to, you know that I didn't used to have my phone all the time. I would only get it after school. I mean, get it for during school, and then I got it during the week and didn't get it on the weekends. And now I get it 24/7, with the exception of still having good grades and editing for my mom.
Penetration plus greater visibility will raise Saber.
I got one of my gifts. I was blocking my phone. One of my gifts in the mail for Jocelyn. And my mom got this tea. Anyways, so I'm gonna put it in our tea thing. Where did we get this?
Amazon. So yeah, I bought these
They're
teas.
so pretty.
We focus not on you. And I couldn't find the one that he had. And it was like $20. I was like, excuse me. So I just bought like 3 different ones. That's a lot of the biscuits.
I know. Came with a lot.
Sorry.
For that price?
Well, it's because it was 12.
Oh, it was $12.
Yeah.
It was $12?
No, it was $6 for 2 boxes.
Oh, what a steal. Finished wrapping. My camera died like forever ago, so I just kept going. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 presents. So this is Pumbaa's. And then this is my grandpa's from me. That's Sonia's. These 4 go to that. These are Jocelyn's. That's Jocelyn's and that's Riley's. Oh, and I wrapped one over there. That's Kaylee, my girlfriend's. Those are all Kaylee's, and that's her little sister's over there. And then this is her cousin's stuff, Kaylee's cousin. I'm gonna put it in a bag. It looks like a little bit, but my girlfriend also has stuff for her, so she's gonna put it in the bag when she comes. Yeah, that's everything. And then I have a few more things in the mail for my friends. It looks like a little bit of stuff in the stocking, but it isn't. So more stuff's coming in the mail for them. And then I have something for my grandma in the mail. And then I have something for my mom in the mail. And then a couple other things for my girlfriend in the mail. Alright, so I just put everybody's gifts under my tree. These are Jocelyn and Riley's. Those are Jocelyn's. These are all my girlfriends. This is her little sisters, her cousins, and that's my girlfriend's. I only have a couple more things. This isn't like all the stuff that I've bought for everyone from me. Everybody else is like Pumbaa, my grandpa, mom, dad. It's under the tree. So it looks cute. I'm eating fettuccine Alfredo with sriracha. I'm making coffee again because I'm exhausted. I'm gonna make a double shot of espresso. I'm gonna have Pumbaa open this. Which one? 6. Oh, it's fine. It's just rip. Oh, there's nothing. It's this one. Wait, yeah, it has to be that one. Let's see. Aww. They're orange. Some coloring left. Yeah. They're so cute. Say hi.
My fingers are red.
It's not focusing. There you go.
We'll bring her in a little bit. When will we meet her? He said 300,000. So.
What type of camera is that? This is a G7X.
Mark II.
The live just ended. Not even ended. My mom's phone died, so that's fun. It looks so Christmassy in here with all the presents. Look, it's so cute. So I think I'm gonna shower right now. Not really sure. Hello, I just got out of the shower. Why is my screen so bright? I'm about to edit. I am not excited. It's 10:13. I usually start editing around like 7 and we were live for 7 until like 9. And then I went to shower and here I am. So tomorrow. If you made it to the end of this video, what is your signature scent? Whether it be like a cologne, a lotion, a perfume. I'm asking because this is mine right now. And I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye. You want to say bye?